I hardly ever paint at night, but today I saw Mike Nizzi art painting live and got very inspired. And then a few hours later, I was thinking, wow, I wonder if I could do a shiny fish. So I got a reference on Microsoft Edge, put in shiny fish with white background, and got this. There's no explanation of what it is or where it's from, but I don't know, it looks like a fat sardine. And anyway, so I tried to copy the fish, or at least represent it, and I didn't want to paint a whole bunch of scales, you know. I did put the shadow underneath just to hopefully give it riveting perspective. And that's it, my attempt at a shiny fish. It looks better in the video than it does in real life, so I guess that's a win. Art fun. Paint at night.